Let's get you the latest updates this morning on the Kanpur encounter probe. There's now mounting heat on absconding gangster Vikas Dubey, who's been accused, of course, of killing 8 policemen in an ambush in Kanpur last week. Gangster Vikas Dubey's right-hand man, Amar Dubey, has been killed in an encounter in Hamirpur. The operation was conducted by the Uttar Pradesh Task Force. A hotel in Faridabad was also raided after the Haryana police received inputs about the dreaded gangster hiding there. While Dubey was not found in the hotel during the raid, cops have found CCTV images indicating that as they suspected, he was present in that hotel. Another henchman of the gangster was nabbed there. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is personally monitoring the situation. He is reportedly unhappy with the cops for not being able to nab the Don yet.
शाम को पुलिस आई थी, उन्होंने चेक करा, पूरा रूम वूम देखे थे, पर उन्हें किसी ने गलत खबर दी थी। बहुतों ने कहा कि गोली चल गई है, फलाना हो गया, ये हो गया, वो होगा। पर जब प्रशासन आया, टीम आई, उन्होंने चेक करा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं मिला। ये झूठी खबर है कि किसी को अरेस्ट करा है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। उन्होंने हमारी बिल्डिंग देखी, ऊपर से नीचे तक रूम चेक करे, फिर वो अपना तहकीकात करके तसल्ली करके सब चले गए।
हमें कुछ पता नहीं लगा, पुलिस वाले आए तब हमें पता लगा ये। तो वो बोले भागो तुम लोग दुकान बंद कर। हम लोग दुकान बंद करके भाग चले उधर से पेट्रोल पंप का तरफ।
Shivendra Srivastava is joining us live this morning from Kanpur. Shivendra, good morning. There's a lot of pressure on the police to immediately identify where Vikas Dubey is, and that's why you're seeing a lot of associates, a lot of aides being identified. But have they really got any leads with regards to where this history sheeter could be?
See, good morning. This is really very surprising that more than 50 teams of STF are widening their search across the nation, especially on the border areas of UP and other states as well. But till now, Vikas Dubey is away from STF reach. That's why Yogi Adityanath government, especially CM, is very upset with the search operation. He instructed that widen your search and go anywhere, wherever you want, but they want Vikas Dubey to be arrested. That's why these teams are camping in different districts of Uttar Pradesh, which are suspected that associates of Vikas Dubey could be there. They are suspecting. That's why Amar Dubey is nabbed there in Hamirpur district, and he is killed in an encounter. He was not only close associate of Vikas Dubey, but also he was present at the fatal night when 8 policemen were killed. You can see in pictures that he is standing with the Fortuner car which belongs to Vikas Dubey. He is also having rifle of Vikas Dubey in pictures. Pictures are released by UPSTF and taken through social media, and that connects that how close he was with Vikas Dubey. And after this encounter, they have succeeded one step in this case, but the main challenge is to nab Vikas Dubey. That's why, yesterday, when they got information that he is hiding in a hotel in Faridabad, that's why team raided in that hotel, but they could not reach to Vikas Dubey, though they found a picture which is suspected of Vikas Dubey. They are also searching several hotels in nearby area because they are also suspecting that he might be trying to fled away from Faridabad to Delhi to other state as well. But the fact is that they are unable to trace it till now. That's why UPCM is very upset. In the meantime, investigation is on. All the people involved in this, suspectedly involved in this case, have been suspended in Chaubepur police station. New force is deployed in that police station, and new teams are formed to nab Vikas Dubey. But till now, there is no success in this case. But people associated with Vikas Dubey are being nabbed, and one person, which is very important in this case, because that night he was present there and firing on policemen, and is being killed by the STF.
Shivendra, we're getting in more information. I request you to stay on with us because we're gathering information on exactly how Vikas Dubey fled after killing 8 policemen. We're being told that he cycled for 5 kilometers, used a bicycle to go about 5 kilometers away from that encounter site. Then he took a motorbike from an associate after switching off his mobile. Reports claim, as Shivendra also pointed out, that he was in Faridabad but managed to give the cops a slip. once again. So at this point, the cops do have some leads on his whereabouts. His last known location, it seems, was in Faridabad, the hotel that the Haryana police raided. Shivendra, you know, even as there are so many questions about who is giving a tip-off to Vikas Dubey, who's giving him inside details about what's happening in the police department, you have another instance of Vikas Dubey's location being identified in Faridabad. The cops go there and he's left.
See, this is for sure that he is getting tip from either from police department itself or from the sources, other sources in village or in Kanpur, because he is running from here and there and he is getting help from other people. That's why he has reached to Faridabad. And as per information, he used several vehicles to reach there. But who is arranging those vehicles? Who is hiding him? Who is helping him with the money? Or who is feeding him? Because he ran away without money, without any credit card, ATM or any like mobile. So someone is certainly helping him, and that person may be from police department or from civilian as well. But the fact is that he is running and he is getting help from others. That's what UPSF is also suspecting. That's why more than 200 phones are on surveillance, and they are continuously monitoring them so that they can reach Vikas Dubey. And informer who informed UPSF regarding presence of Vikas Dubey in Faridabad, he is also he might be also of informer of police and Vikas Dubey as well. That's why police is questioning several people in this connect. But this is surprising that even after 8 deaths of policemen, he is still getting information from his network, but police is not able to trace him.
And that's why you perhaps have UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also at this point putting pressure on the police, saying that so many days on, why has it been impossible to track down Vikas Dubey? Shivendra, thank you for joining us with those details.